Here we have a sampling frame of 50 villages and the number of households in each village that have received nutrition interventions. Let's say we determined when considering our sampling strategy that we want to select 20 villages to be sampled. We've also created a column for the cumulative number of households, which will be needed to draw the sample. You'll see for village 1, the cumulative number of households is 30, the number of households in village 1. For the following row, the cumulative number of households is 81, the number of households in village 1 plus the number of households in village 2. In the next row, the cumulative number of houses is 150, the sum of the number of households in villages 1, 2, and 3, and so forth. The first thing we need to do is determine the total number of households. We can see here that the cumulative number of households after counting all 50 villages is 4,520. Next, we'll determine our sampling interval by dividing the number of households, 4,520, by the number of villages to be sampled, which we established as 20. This gives us a sampling interval of 226. Next, we'll determine which village to sample first. We'll do this by generating a random start between 1 and 226, our sampling interval. We can do this by putting =rand between 1, 226 in an Excel cell as shown here. The number generated is 89. I'll rewrite the number here because otherwise the rand between function will continue to generate new numbers as we edit our spreadsheet. Looking at the cumulative column, we see here that village 3 contains the 89th household. This is because village 3 contains households 82 through 150, with our random start number falling in between those numbers. So village 3 will be the first sampled village. We'll then select the next village to be sampled by incrementally increasing the random start by the sampling interval. So 89 plus 226. The sum of the random start in our sampling interval is 315. Again, looking at our cumulative column, we see that village 5 contains the 315th household. So this will be our next village sampled. We'll now take this number, 315, and add our sampling interval, 226, again, to get 541. Village 6 contains our 541st household. We'll continue sampling villages incrementally like this until the desired number of villages, in this case 20 per our sampling strategy, has been selected. I'm adding $signs here to the sampling interval to keep this cell consistent. $767 is within village 10. 993 within village 12, and so forth. Together, these are the 20 villages from which we'll sample. Remember that this strategy is often used as the first stage sample in a two-stage sample. In the multi-stage sampling demo, we'll see how this step is combined with a second stage sample.